Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration, and that is about the arc length. So now I will show you how to answer. We have x, we have y. So the first thing we need to do, first derivative of x with respect to t. So first derivative of t squared, we have 2t and we have 4t. Later that, we do first derivative of y with respect to t. So first derivative of t to the power of 3, we have 3t squared. And you got about t squared in here. Next, we need to apply the formula. So we have the integration from a to b, and we have the square root of first derivative of x to the power of 2 and first derivative of y to the power of 2, and we have dt. Now we put the bounds from 0 to number 5. So we put 40 gone here. And t square gone here. This one we have 16 t square. This one we have t to the power of 4. Next, t square and t to the power of 4, we can do about factorization. So the square root of t square, you got about t in here. Because the bounds from 0 to number 5, this is about positive. So when we put t square go outside, you got about positive. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of 16 plus t square. Later that, we put the power 2 for the both sides. We can sort about the square root. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u square, we have 2u du. First derivative of t square, we have 2t dt. This one, that is about the constant. So if we do first derivative, you got about 0. Later that, we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when t equals to number 0, that's it from here. So I will put number 0 gone here to find the value of u. the square root of 16 plus 0 square, we have u equals to number 4. When t equals to number 5, that is from here. So I will put number 5 on here to find the value of u. And we have the square root of 41. So number 0 we change by 4. And this one we change by the square root of 41. Next, about this one, we change for u. T and dt we change by u du. This one we have u square du. The integration of u square, we got about u to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put the powers from number 4 to the square root of 41. And now you got the final answer. And this one approximate about 66.176, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.